Quick reading for February the 11th to February the 12th, Capricorn. We have the Eight of Pentacles, the Ten of Cups, the Ace of Cups. Efforts ang makikita natin kay person. Lalo na doon sa mga couples na nagkaroon ng separation, no? Nakikita natin na your person's going to work on things to prove to you na mahal kita, to prove to you na yung paghingi ko ng apology is genuine. Kung hindi naman kayo nag-away, let's say, meron kayong mutual understanding in situationship, ito yung mga times na ibibigay ni person sa'yo, baka pwede namang gawin na natin itong official, no? Meron din dito mga invitations of, pwede bang pumunta ka sa bahay namin at I want you to meet the parents. Ayan. So, makikita natin dito na unti-unting nagiging seryoso, unti-unting lumalalim, no, ang connection at relationship mo with your person. This is your quick reading for February the 11th to February the 12th, Capricorn.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye.